Dan and Dennis. Say hello. Good morning. We got Bang Lee is on here. Let's go fishing. We got Ted. There we go. Dale over here. And the bait boy Travis. And Mr. Buddy Dupree, the fishing magician is what I hear. There we go, right? That's right.
Rod up, hold it, get ready to go. Put them back in.
Oh, nice.
No.
Oh, don't grab that.
There
you go. Just lift them up. Yard them in. There we go. Very nice.
Put her back out. Let's go. Put them in the water.
Nice.
Go ahead.
There we go.
Reel that in.
Oh, broke off. And Giuseppe's on a fish. Nice fish, taking line. This is good fish. Yep.
Okay, now when you get them close, you're going to keep reeling, but now lift them straight up. Straight up. Okay, he's going to go.
Nice fish.
Now stay against the edge, okay?
Holy, that is a
a nice fish.
That's a good one,
Close
Joe.
to high teens.
Now just keep it straight out.
That's bigger than that 4-pounder you caught yesterday, Joe.
The reason why I want to tip down a little bit is because when it's time to lift, you'll be able to lift. Okay, now slowly lift it. Right here. Lift.
Yeah. Got him, nice fish.
Watch that leg, dude.
I'm watching it.
He's watching it. Give yourself some line. There you go.
I got it. Oh, it's a native. You gotta let it go. Oh, shit. Fine.
That's a beauty, too.
So what I'm gonna do is
Yep. Nice fish. Nice fish. We got it. Woo! Nice fish.
I just got the scissors!
the other side. Yeah, I'm trying to battle a couple things here.
Nice one. Nice fish. Very nice, Joe. Nice fish.
Awesome.
13 pounds or so.
Why would you get the 14?
Go, Mike. Oh, he's keeping up
Can
with
you
the
reel
music.
that rod in, please?
Oh, you still got him?
Step to your left. Your left. There you go. Reel.
Yeah, just make sure these poles, man, these poles over here so that they're...
Right there. Keep going.
Holy smokes, Mike.
Get him up, dude. Get his head up. Ah. Fine. Okay. Drop your grip a little bit.
Okay.
Slowly lift him over here. Slowly lift him.
Oh, yeah. Nice
Oh,
fish.
man.
Woo! Woo! That a king? I got the leg. Oh, yeah.
Wow. Keeper, dude. It's a
Oh, yes.
The king?
Yeah, that's a keeper too.
Nice.
Look at that thing.
That's a 20-pounder right there.
Yeah.
Good show, Mike.
Holy shit, his drag was so tight.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I cut my finger trying to pull line out.
Oh, man.
I wonder if I had it in
Atta
the
boy. What do you say, Mike? What do you say?
Let's go fishing.
Nice
Thank the Lord
fish.
that we got that sucker in.
I
Yeah,
will.
no kidding.
Great. That limits us out.
That's it. That's it. Pull that sucker up.
Man.
Oh, Mike, get in there, bud.
Yeah.
Come on, camera. There we go.
There we go. I need to get back a little bit.
Hey, kids.
There we go.
Hey, woo.
There they are. I can't get them all in the picture. Let's go this way. Couple there.